Welcome, my people. Dancehall skilla there again, you know. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. I hope that everyone are alright. As I say, yeah, I have videos that I'm going to present to you. Certain things I want to talk to you about. Alright, so first things first, my people. I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show about the 3 persons, and the video is going to show at least 2 of those persons doing certain things together in order to cook a pot of food. Now, based on what I saw and heard in the video, I got the understanding that those persons who you can see in the video doing certain things to cook the pot of food was inside of a boat, and the boat was on the sea or on water, as also some persons might say. I don't know how far they were out at sea, viewers and subscribers. The point is, the video shows those persons doing certain things to cook a pot of food, no, viewers and subscribers. You understand me? And it really and truly somewhat amazes me. So I want to take a look at this video and tell me what you think about the situation that you're about to see and hear in this video. And I want to say this to each and everyone: please do not try anything that you see in this video at home, and some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Let's jump on top now and a steamy. What's your sir? Oh, that's see Ricky Ricardo cooking fish soup. Big shit.
Yeah, that fish soup.
That's boom bang and black.
Oh?
Can't cover, man.
You know, so the boat is a rack. You see me, I say?
Oh, that's you, boy.
Alright, my people, let me tell you something. You see, some Jamaicans, whenever you cook food, sometimes they will say, you run a boat. You understand? So in that case, I know some Jamaicans might say that them inside of a boat, I run a boat. You understand me? Yeah, so big up and respect to all hard-working people, though. So I say, enough time we dip on the job and we'll cook food in a pot or run a boat, as well some Jamaicans might say. So I say, now I want to say this to each and every motorist worldwide. Be careful when you're driving your motor vehicle on the road. You know, drive for your safety and for others. Because, viewers and subscribers, I saw a video on social media that shows the scene of a motor vehicle accident. And on a real, viewers and subscribers, I look at the video and I wonder that if everyone is okay. Yes, I say, because the accident looked really bad. So the video shows a motor vehicle that somehow went into a yard and somewhat hit a house. But the position of the motor vehicle is what somewhat amazes me, because the video shows the motor vehicle with the rear part of the motor vehicle up in the air, basically somewhat passing a certain part of the roof of the building. It looks away. Viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present this video to you so that you can take a look at the scene of this motor vehicle accident, viewers and subscribers. So may I say, I didn't get any confirmed information to determine if there is any form of injury, any form of fatality. I don't even know exactly where and when the video will be recorded, but this video somewhat amazes me. The video has been talked about on social media. I would like you to tell me what you think. And some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
What? How I see you is? Yes.
What's your brother there? What's your...
Boy! Yo! Yo!
See? So you saw me talk about people. Look at how the motor vehicle set right there. So that look, may I tell you. Yes, and then the person will walk past. The person will walk past. The way the person walk past, my people. Eh? So, yo, may I tell you. Now here I'm going to present another video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and this video is going to show some things that happened during a confrontation between 2 persons. The video shows one person holding a machete, and the video shows at least one person trying to de-escalate the hostile confrontation, and that's in my point of view, viewers and subscribers. Let me say, however, this video also shows when one of those persons who was involved in the confrontation started to throw objects with the intention to hit a person who you can see in the video holding a machete. Viewers and subscribers, this video has been talked about on social media for a certain amount of reasons. As I say, and on a real, I see videos on social media that give more better vibes and positive vibes. As I say, but for some reason, this video has been talked about on social media more than some videos that I think would be a more positive video to look at. But nevertheless, this video has been talked about. So let's take a look at this video and tell me what I think. Please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Easy enough, yo. Snap, yo. Round one. Bellel. Oh, my elite Johnny Carey, no? I'll be able to sit, man.
Saying, what are you saying this?
I'll be able to sit on the man. I'm come now and I say, I'm so far from now, I'm sorry. The girl is a guy will up, man. I can go from back to you, Watch it from back. Yo, boy.
You see all them sitting them people? Eh? That the somebody that they intend for damage that the person then. But I mean I tell you, hey, me say, we live in a world here, see people. When it comes on to a video like that or them type of video there, you're surprised to know say videos like them there sometimes get more attention on social media than certain educational videos or certain videos of positive vibes or inspirational videos or motivational videos. Like no joke, me I tell you. But you don't know, me just keep you up to date and post it, make you know what I go on. So tell me what to think about a situation like that. And I'm going to say this before me stop talking about that video and that situation. It's good to walk away from certain hostile confrontations. Now here I'm going to present another video to you, my viewers and subscribers, that's going to show what seems to be some type of argumentative situation between at least two persons. So in the video you can hear when at least one person said, "Your back gun palm me," to someone, viewers and subscribers. So may I say, and the video shows someone holding an object, viewers and subscribers, and I want to pay close attention right here. Look at this part of the video right here. Alright, so let me stop it there. The video shows something or an object that someone else was holding. What do you think that is? You understand me? Now, in my point of view, whatsoever confrontation or argumentative situation that was going on there, it escalated, viewers and subscribers, and that raises concern. I wonder if everyone is okay based on what I saw and heard in the video. So I'm going to present this video to you so that you can take a look at it for yourself, and you can also let me know what you think about the situation. Please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Your back gun for me. You have to shoot me. You have to shoot me. You have to shoot me. You don't know the youth that me have to walk on. Then the youth leap with him van. The youth tell it, hey, you have to kill me. You have to kill me, youth. You don't know who you come against. You have to kill me. You have to shoot me. Hey, you have to shoot me. You have to move off. Hey, you have to kill me. Move off of your beat. You don't say that youth. You back gun for me. Oh my God. Hey, oh boy.
You see how that look, my people? You see how that look? You see me? So, me really and truly I wonder if everyone okay. Because that look away right there, some people. But I mean, I tell you, walk away from hostile confrontations is something where me believe in. Because me no want to see nobody get hurt. You see me? Here's where I'm going to leave it, yeah, viewers and subscribers. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.